Transform any court area into a pickleball court with the Franklin Sports Court Marker Kit. This kit includes all you need to quickly lay out the boundary areas for the game of pickleball in minutes. Includes 4 L-style pieces and 8 T-style pieces. Easy care. Material can be wiped clean after court use. Bright. Easy to see markers highlight court boundaries. Transportable. This set is easy to take with you from court to court. Top reviews from the United States. It's just tees and corners, and that's basically really all you need. Perfect, you don't have to put tape on your floor and rip up all this seal, and it just mark best spot. You don't have to put lines down for people to trip on, and it's really nice to have it 'cause you can go outdoors and indoors.